Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. The cube root of x squared times the fourth root of x to the power 5 equals. Is it A, the seventh root of x to the power 10, B, the 12th root of x to the power 10, C, the 12th root of x to the power 7, or D, the 12th root of x to the power 23? So let's begin. So we have the cube root of x squared times the fourth root of x to the power 5. So I'll apply this rule that says I can write a root as a fractional exponent. So the nth root of a to the power m equals a to the power m over n. The nth root of a to the power m equals a to the power m over n. So I have x to the power 2 over 3 applying this rule times x to the power 5 over 4. At this point, I can apply this rule of exponents which says a to the power m times a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. So I have x to the power 2 over 3 times x to the power 5 over 4. It becomes x to the power 2 over 3 plus 5 over 4. Adding those fractions, we're going to have x to the power 23 over 12. Now I can reapply this rule again to change back to a root. So the nth root of a to the power m equals a to the power m over n. It works in reverse as well. So a to the power m over n is going to equal the nth root of a to the power m. So it's going to become the 12th root of x to the power 23. So that's how to solve a question like this. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.